holder is by bearing their name and often other details. Yung second bullet po, a good example would be a luggage.
Serving to establish.
Luggage po, no? Sino po yung umuwi-uwi? Yeah? Pag umuwi kayo, may pangalan, right?
Yes.
O wala, hilagay yung luggage. Bahala na kayo dyan. Tama po? Sa luggage, when we check in the counter, right, there will be a name para madali pong ma-identify. Okay? Si Ate Maris, kung nakikinig ka, okay? Siya po yung papunta na ng Pilipinas. Nagulat siya kanina, 40 kilos daw ang kanyang
Kilo.
luggage.
Ay. Malaki ang...
Akala lang yan, pinapero niya 20 kilos. Pag pagdating niya ron, you have 40 kilos.
Wow.
Nagulat.
Claiming too much.
Pero po, no? So balik po tayo rito, no? So how would we answer this question? And this question is very, very important. It's one thing that changes everything, because when you know who you are, then you know what to do. Ulitin ko po. I will repeat. It is important when you know who you are, then you will know what to do.
Right.
If we don't know who we are, then we don't know what to do.
Right. That's right.
Kung sino ka, alam mo ang gagawin mo. If you don't know who you are, then you don't know what you're gonna do. Hindi po natin alam. So, how would you answer this question? Para lalo po natin maintindihan, as we go deeper, how do we answer this question? I am blank. Okay, example, you filled up that yung blanco po, no? Filled up po natin, no? Am I rich?
Yes.
Am I poor?
Yes.
No.
Am I young?
No.
Am I old? Am I smart?
Yes.
Am I stupid? Am I loved? I'm hated? I am single. Sino yung single kanina? And not available. Am I single? I am married? And I'm married? I am divorced? I'm desirable? I'm not desirable? I'm successful? I'm a failure? I'm hopeful? I'm hopeless? Emphasize po natin. We need to emphasize, how do you think
Of yourself.
you are? Dapat po natin maintindihan, focus, sino ba ako? Sino ba ako? How do I see ourselves? Because your identity will alter and affect your destiny and future.